Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Khushi this side. I own a digital marketing agency and today we are going to talk about how can you get your first internship, and I'll also be sharing how did I get mine, and that too in 12th standard. देखो nowadays it is not at all hard to get internships because पहले होता था that you had to go in office or you had to compulsorily apply for in office roles, but आज के टाइम में there are very remote opportunities available, so you can apply in startups, you can apply in top companies, and you can even apply in NGOs, in which I did, and I was there for 6 months. We'll be getting there, but yes, we'll be talking about the entire process from start to end, how to search for the right one, how to prepare for one, and basically in the end how to apply in that. So let's dive straight into it. Okay, so the first step in this process is to learn what interests you. देखो अगर तुम मुंह उठा के कहीं पे भी चले जाओगे अप्लाई करने without having appropriate knowledge or skills about the industry or the job role, you will step out of it disappointed. आपको कोई भी चीज हो लाइफ में, you need to be prepared for that, and same applies for internships. Suppose you are applying for the role of a graphic designer, you need to know what graphic designing is. You cannot just step into their office or you cannot drop them an email and think that they'll select me, maybe out of luck or something. No, luck doesn't work that way. You need to put in your efforts, only then you'll even make it to the shortlisted list. अच्छा, tell me one thing. If you had a company and आपके पास कोई इंसान आता to apply for the job of a video editor, would you give them a job or an internship if they had zero experience? Suppose they are just out of college, fresh out of college or school, and they have zero experience, they know zero about video editing. Would you be willing to hire them? I know what the answer is, but do let me know in the comments as well, okay? And that is the whole reason why you should have experience before applying to an internship. Okay, moving on. Like I mentioned, I also have a digital marketing agency, and we also have an intern who's an 18-year-old. बट देखो, फ्रेशर होने में और अनस्किल्ड होने में जमीन आसमान का फर्क होता है. अगर आप एक फ्रेशर हो बट यू हैव द राइट स्किल्स, एनी कंपनी वुड हायर यू एज एन इंटर्न or as a full-time employee. But if you are a fresher and you are unskilled, कोई स्कोप नहीं है guys. Okay, so the first step is to identify what is it that you actually like doing, and उसी niche में internship ढूंढो, or something that you want to explore and you think you might like. So उसके लिए you need to take a course, and it's not necessary that you have to go for only paid courses. There are free courses also available online for free as well as paid courses. You can check out Coursera, Udemy, YouTube, and even Internshala एंड naukri.com. यहाँ इन प्लेटफॉर्म से आपको बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कोर्सेज मिल जाएंगे, एटलीस्ट इतने सफिशिएंट मिल जाएंगे फ्री कोर्सेज भी, दैट you can apply to any internship with the right skill set. Because when you apply to a course, you also get to build a portfolio with that. Now वही हमारा next point है, which is build a portfolio. Now what is a portfolio? एक होता है रेज्यूमे, एक होता है पोर्टफोलियो. ठीक है, रेज्यूमे तो हर कोई बना ही लेता है क्योंकि बोलते हैं सीवी होना चाहिए. रेज्यूमे, सीवी एंड रेज्यूमे आर द सेम थिंग्स, बट उससे भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एक पोर्टफोलियो होना. तो यू नीड टू बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो जहां पे आपका काम दिखेगा. सपोज यू आर अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, तो आपका पोर्टफोलियो एक ड्राइव लिंक भी हो सकता है, गूगल ड्राइव लिंक, जिसमें आपके टॉप जो आपके बेस्ट आपने ग्राफिक्स बनाए हैं वो आपने वहां पे डाल देना. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपने किसी कंपनी में ही काम किया हो, आप तभी ग्राफिक डिजाइन बना सकते हो. यू कैन बिल्ड योर ओन पोर्टफोलियो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू सी अ ब्रांड ऑनलाइन लाइक जोमैटो, स्विगी और एयरबीएनबी, any page, just pick a brand. Okay, now this applies to all job roles, to all internship job opportunities. Just pick a brand and उसके according, suppose we are talking about graphic designing, तो design a post, take content from chat gpt और gemini, use AI to its fullest. एक बार आपने स्किल सीख ली, उस स्किल को अप्लाई करो टू बिल्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो. ठीक है, तो ये पोर्टफोलियो आपको भेजना ही भेजना है वेर एवर यू आर अप्लाइंग अलॉन्ग विद योर सीवी एंड रिज्यूमे. Now, what platforms you can use to build your portfolio? Behance is a good platform for graphic designers and basically for creative artists and stuff. Medium is a very good platform for content writers and people into long form content and stuff. Google Docs, you can create a good document where you have written sample copies for brands for social media content or ad copies or copywriting. Then there is Wix and GitHub for developers. And then there is Canva, which can be used by anyone, by strategists, by graphic designers, by writers. Basically, Canva से आप अपना कुछ भी जो आपका work है, you can beautify it and that can even increase your chances. Like मेरे पास अगर कोई मेल आता है हायरिंग का, आई रिजेक्ट और अप्रूव इट विद इन 3 seconds बिकॉज अगर किसी ने मेरे को पोर्टफोलियो ही नहीं भेजा है, दैट मीन्स हैव नॉट वर्कड एनीवेयर. Even you can attach the link to your portfolio in your CV itself. ऐसा क्योंकि बहुत कंपनीज में होता है that they don't ask for CV, but if you attach your portfolio link in your CV itself, then it's a big added advantage. Now you have a skill, you have a CV, you have a portfolio. Next thing you need is a cover letter. Whenever you are outreaching someone, outreach का मतलब होगा कि आप किसी को खुद से मेल कर रहे हो, you're not sure if that person is looking to hire someone or not, but आपने कहीं से किसी कंपनी की मेल निकाली and आप उन्हें outreach कर रहे हो, आप उन्हें मेल लिख रहे हो, so you cannot just write hire me as a subject line and attach your CV and portfolio. It will go straight to spam. What you need to do instead is you need to write a good cover letter which covers your expertise in the industry. अब आप एक fresher हो, ठीक है? You do not have experience, but you have worked on sample ideas and use that to your advantage, and that will really help your mail not land into the spam folder, which again is an added advantage. Okay, now where and how to apply for an internship? There are a lot of platforms where you can apply to, on which you can apply to, and some of them are LinkedIn, Internchala, and Naukri.com. ये तीन I would suggest from my end because I have used Internchala and LinkedIn a lot, and it's really helpful. Internchala is the one that helped me get my first internship and my second one as well. So do give it a try. It's really good. अगर आप इन प्लेटफॉर्म से अप्लाई कर भी रहे हो, you need to make sure you create a tracker for yourself so that you can track every opportunity you apply to. Okay, आपने अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, उसके बाद जरूरी नहीं है that you will get hired on the first application itself. You need to keep applying. You need to keep refreshing your cover letter, and you need to keep updating your portfolio day by day, because of course any company would want to hire someone, would even as an intern, who knows what they're applying for. Okay, so make sure your portfolio gets stronger day by day, because platforms come later, skills come first, so you need to put a lot of focus on that area. The next step would be, like, when you are still applying for the internships everywhere on all those platforms, you need to activate either your LinkedIn or your Instagram. Aajkal people are picking up talent from any platform possible. Follow pages that are posting opportunities, job opportunities, internship opportunities every day on Instagram as well as LinkedIn. क्रिएट कंटेंट, क्रिएट अ पर्सनल ब्रांड. आपने सुना होगा पर्सनल ब्रांड, पर्सनल ब्रांड, पर्सनल ब्रांड. होता क्या है पर्सनल ब्रांड? पर्सनल ब्रांड होता है कि हु आर यू एज अ पर्सन, व्हाट आर योर POVs, योर टेक्स on different things going on in the society or in your career or in your niche or your achievements in life or your failures in life. You need to talk about all of it so that people can relate to you or get inspired to you, any of those things above. You can also start providing value on Instagram by creating content, and even that is something that is helping people land jobs. So build your profiles on LinkedIn and Instagram, connect with people, so even referrals भी आपको मिल सकते हैं. Applying is one thing, but building your profiles and connections and network on these platforms is equally important. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वुड बी टू वर्क ऑन योर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बिफोर वी मूव टू द इंटरव्यू पार्ट की इंटरव्यू में अपीयर होने के लिए क्या क्या ज़रूरी है, क्या क्या प्रिपेयर करना है, उससे पहले यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बिकॉज टेक्निकल स्किल्स आरंट इम्पॉर्टेंट इनफ. अगर किसी इंसान को आपका बोलने का तरीका अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, दे विल रिजेक्ट यू द फर्स्ट टाइम यू टॉक विद देम. So you need to have soft skills like communication skills, teamwork, and you need to have a problem solving attitude. सिर्फ ये नहीं होता है कि मेरे को मेरा काम आता है मैं कर लूँगा. No, that is not the kind of behavior you should have. So yes, work on your soft skills. Now the next part is interviews. Interviews के लिए क्या क्या important है? Firstly, you need to have knowledge about the role you are applying to. जो हमारा पहला स्टेप था उससे सीख लिया. सेकेंडली दे आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस अबाउट योर हिस्ट्री, अबाउट योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एंड if even if you don't have a work experience, that doesn't matter if you have a portfolio, which we covered in previous steps. So again, you are covered. Then you need to research the company in detail, because if you lay out facts about the company and how you want to be part of that work culture, that will really help you and give you extra brownie points. Next would be practice common interview questions and do mock interviews, because you are doing it for the first time and you need to know what kind of questions people usually ask. So there are a lot of resources available online. Again, do check them out. That will really help you. If you are appearing for an interview offline, dress professionally, talk professionally, behave professionally. And if you are doing an interview online on Zoom or Google Meet or anything, make sure that again you are dressed appropriately and you're talking appropriately and you have your camera on. You need to talk with confidence with the person who's taking your interview. Do not wait for them to ask you to open your camera, because that is a basic hygiene that every applicant should maintain while applying to any job role. So the last point here is in the interview section that whenever a person is taking your interview, ask them questions. Do not behave like a dumb person. They're asking you questions and you're just saying yes ma'am, yes sir, and answering whatever they are asking you to answer. Okay, so these are the basic things that you need to keep in mind while applying for any internship opportunity. If you follow these things through, it's impossible that you don't land an internship. And still, if you do, make sure you contact me here on this mail. I'll get back to you and maybe I'll help you. I guess I covered everything in this video. If there is something you'd like in more detail, I did not keep everything in detail in this one, but if you'd like more details on any topic or any segment, do let me know down in the comments so that I can make the video on that one. And yeah, thanks for watching. If this was really helpful for you, do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.